Dear students and working accountants, welcome to my Expert Tally Prime YouTube channel. My name is Babu Rao. Today, in this video, we are going to learn the about the payroll management next parts. So that already I did a part. So next topics in that tally payroll. So next items we are going to learn now. So before entering into the topic, a request to you, everyone entering into my channel and watching my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon near the subscribe button and select all. You will get notification for all the videos which I upload in my channel. And another very important thing is, everyone, please watch every video till the end. Don't skip in the middle. If you skip in the middle, you will learn topic up to that point only. The balance you will not understand. It will be like half knowledge. It is waste of time, nothing more than that. So watch till the end, and if necessary, you watch more than once. So you watch 2, 3 times, you will get good knowledge, and also you work out or practice the problems or examples given in the video many number of times. You will get expert knowledge. And after watching the full video, if the video is good, please like the video, and also don't forget to post your comments in the comment section. How is the video? So your idea about the video, you post the comment in the comment section. If I have any doubt also, you can post in the comment section. That is the only communication between me and you. So you post the comment in the comment section. Okay, now we are entering into the topic. See, in the last video, we did the last video, what we did, we completed two topics. We completed two items. Two items in sense. So we created the employee category, then employee group, and then completed. Now we have to create the employees and then other topics. That is, so employees we created. So then, sorry, group we created. These two we created. So employee names, it is very easy. That's why I'm taking three items this time. So create the employee names, all the details related to employees, then work, that is work units, then attendance or production type you will take up. So these are the three items you have to take up. And in this also, so employee, units of work, then attendance you have to take. So first of all, we will take the employees. So in this case of employees, many details are to be given in the employees. So here we have 4 employees. So all the 4 employees we have to create. What I do, we have to give many details, but in this, I have not created Anjana. All the 3 we created, I gave all the details. Okay. So I gave Deepak, Rajendra, Sanjay in the alphabetical order. All these we completed. That I will show you again. I will show you again. And then, 1 minute. So we have to create one, and all the 3 we completed. So what, first of all, I will take up the one which is not created already. So how to create that? What are the details we have to give in that? What are the details we have to give? So here, so the Anjana I have not created. I will take up that, and then I will show you how to create that, how to give the details, and other details we will check up in other employees. Okay. So here, go to, forget about these 3. So go to create button. First of all, we have to create the Anjana details. So the details also I gave a screenshot. I gave a screenshot for the employee. That is for Anjana. I have taken a screenshot. Say here. So this is the screenshot. See, this is the screenshot. So details are to be given here. So go to this one. So this is Anjana we are going to create now. Anjana we are creating. All others I created. So first of all, it will, by default it is in primary cost category. So we have to take the category. Anjana is in Vijayawada category. That is Vijayawada branch. So space bar, take, or you can click, simply you can click here V. So Vijayawada, if you click, it will come. Vijayawada category, and the name is Anjana. Anjana. If it is Anjana Devi, whatever the name you have to give. And then here, what is the primary means? Under means which department. That is the category name, and you have to give group also. Under which group? Under Anjana is under sales group, sales department. You have to give sales, and then the sales is the primary one. So before that, there is no other. After on this group, there is another group. Okay, and then here date of joining. So date of joining is not the date of this today's date. Date of joining is given here. Date of joining is we have to give the date of joining. We are our books are starting from 1st April today. That is what it is giving. So I have to take this here. Date of joining. See, Anjana. That another more thing is here. Here the name is displayed. That is under the category. But before this department, that is before the group also, here also we can display the name, because in the reports, name is to be displayed. So in this case, again to display the name, go to F12. Here you see, say provide display name of employee. It is by default, it will be no. Make it yes. So here you see, display name in report as Anjana, the same name. So if it is F12, so it will be applicable to all the employees. In all the employees, it will be shown. And after that, and come down here, then Anjana default primary. So 1st May 23 is the date of joining. 1st May 23. 1st May 23. And here, date of the details of salary. That is details, I mean, define salary details will not define now. All the salaries will be defined at the end. Okay. And one more is there. One more missing. One more is date of retirement. It's not given here. Date of retirement contract. Okay, not given. Oh, no problem. So okay, no will give and come down here. Notes. There is some notes. That notes is not required for us. Notes for employees. No. If you are review, you can give some notes. Not there. And then employee number. It is given as A hyphen 001. Then designation sales manager. See, sales manager, sales manager, sorry, sales manager, and function is sales. Whatever the work they are doing, sales. Location is, because it is Vijayawada branch. Vijayawada is the location. Gender is female, because Anjana is female, and date of birth is 1st July 94. Date of birth 1st July 94. It will take first. It will give total amount. Total date format it will show. Then blood group is A1 positive. So if you click here, it clear A1 positive, and then father or any name I am giving as XXX, and spouse. In the case of lady, husband name. In the case of male, it will be wife name. So here also I am giving XXX, not giving details. And address I am giving as Gandhi Nagar, Vijayawada. So Gandhi, full address, actual address you have to give. Just I am giving simply Gandhi Nagar, Vijayawada. Gandhi Nagar, Vijayawada, and you have to give a number 5897 5897 4566 456612. This is the number, and the email address will be Anjana at gmail.com. So next we will come here. Next we will come to this place. This is called bank details. For all the employees, I have given the bank details. You have to click it is yes, and then we have to give all the bank details. And for payment, we may pay by check or online. That is online in sense. We will give the list to the bank. The bank people will directly credit the employee account. So that is called e-funds transfer. So if you select e-funds transfer, all the details will come here also. For example, in this case, all the employees are given the bank details completely. In this case, I'm not giving the bank details, because at the end it will show if the bank details are given, what will be shown in the reports, and if the bank details are not given, what is the problem in the reports. That I will show. For all the other employees I have given. Here only I'm not giving. Okay. Then come down, statutory details. That is the income tax regime. That is the slab rates, regular tax regime I am taking. And the PAN number. PAN number, there will be 10 numbers. AK, PPK. So AK, PPK 5825 Okay, P, this is the number, and Aadhaar number, there will be, I mean, it will be 12 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, if you give 11 numbers, to show the length should be 12 numbers. So at the end, I am giving 2. Okay, I am giving 2. And then this universal number not required. And for PF, his account number will be their employee's account number, AP 5246 by 25 by 25. The same details will be taken for the EPS also, the same number EPS, and beginning from the date of joining it will be applicable. And then PR account number, PRAN, it is called as PRAN, that is not required. Okay, and ESA number, ESA for every ESI, this is for PF income tax deduction, PF income tax and ESI. And ESI 58457 Okay, dash 25. And dispensary I am taking as Sanat Nagar. I am taking it as Sanat Nagar. Sanat Nagar. So these are the details given. And then after this, I am closing this. This is not required. So this is not required. Okay. Now these are the details of the employees. Suppose if the employee is an NRI, that is from another country, so these all these details we have to give, and in addition we have to give some more details because he is working here, means he must have passport, visa, passport expiry date, visa expiry date, and the country which issued the passport and visa, and then the contract details, contract with us, that is what is the permit, work permit number, and when the contract starts and when the contract will expire, and all these details will be given. So for that, there is one more option. So click F12, and here is the provide passport and visa details. Yes. Provide contract details. Yes. If you give, so one additional page will come. Here, passport and visa. Passport number, country of issue, and passport expiry date. Then visa number. So same country will issue visa expiry, passport number, passport expiry date, visa number, visa expiry date, and the country which issued both. And then here contract between the employee and the employer. So work permit number, what is the work permit? India will give the permit to them. So work permit number, and when the contract starts and when it will end. So contract start date and contract expiry date. These details you have to give. So if he is a foreigner, otherwise this is not required. So these two we will give no. So in this case, it's not required. So this is about the one we have to create. So this is created. Okay. This is created. And now the others we have to, others already created. So in others will go. So this is one. Sales department, Anjana, we created. The other one, we will go to Deepak. Deepak is also in Vijayawada branch, and department is accounts. So as it is, go to the, so primary is given, backspace, take Vijayawada. That is the category is Vijayawada office, and then Deepak will come, and the department is accounts department. Under the Vijayawada branch, department is accounts department. Accounts department. So all this, see, all the details are given. And here you come here, give yes and give the details, bank account number, IFSC code, bank name, and branch Gandhinagar, because it is Vijayawada branch, Gandhinagar, Vijayawada. And here, what is the method of payment? Giving check or e-funds transfer? Because generally we will give the list to the bank manager. The bank manager will credit the amount to all the individual employees' accounts. That is, they are all called salary account. So e-funds transfer. If you click, all these details will come down automatically. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, and then all these details are given. All the details are given. Okay, in the previous case, only this is left. That we will tell you later. So like this is completed. That is, here we did. So department, and that is the group, and category we entered. Okay, now then next one is Deepak, and then next one is Rajendra. See, Rajendra is from Hyderabad department. So Hyderabad category. So go back, click H, Hyderabad office, Rajendra name again coming, And this department is Rajendra sales department. Click sales departments. All the details are given. And here come down, come down, come down. And here see yes. And see the details. All the details are given. Come down. All these details are also given. This universal account number. And here date of retirement for the PF, and then prior account number. If you have that numbers, those numbers also we can enter. So this is over. And then Rajendra is over. And then Sanjay. Go to Sanjay. Sanjay is also from Hyderabad head office. Sanjay is also Hyderabad head office. And come down, the department is, that is the group is accounts office. Accounts department. Group is accounts department. So all these are completed. And come down, come down, come down. We'll go to give yes and see the details given, account number and everything. Everything is given and all these statute details given. Last one is the dispensary number, name. So all these are completed. So in this case, what we did, we completed. So employee details we completed. So the next one is employee details. Then create, that is units, work units. So work units means how you will give the amount for the work, that is months, days, and then in the case of overtime or absent and everything, in the case of the sometime, in the case of that, that's called as production, hours and minutes will give. Okay, but in this case, days and months are created by default, they are created. So we require only hours and months, hours and minutes. That is why go to work unit, go to work unit. So work unit will create, go to create. Now simple we will take up HRS, hours. So full name is hours. We will take hours. Digits are not required. Decimal places not required. So this is not goods. So there will be no unit quantity code because it's not goods. So not applicable. This is created. Simple. And then minutes. So MINS minutes. So we call it, full name is minutes. Sorry, not minutes. Minutes. Full name is minutes. So this is created. So hours, minutes created. Suppose sometimes 4 hours 50 minutes, 4 hours 40 minutes means we require both units. Then we call it as compound unit. Go to compound unit, and compound unit, how will you? 1 hour will be 60 minutes. So first unit is hours of conversion is 60. Second unit is minutes. So hours of 60 minutes. If you work for 40 minutes, it will give convert into hours. 60 minutes if you give, automatically it will convert into 1 hour. Like that. If you give 120 minutes, it will convert into 2 hours. If you give 150 minutes, 2 hours and 30 minutes, that is 2.5 hours it will give. Like that, it will convert automatically. This is the only thing we require. All others, days and months, are already defined automatically. That is by default. So units we completed. See, completed units. Then attendance and production type. So then attendance and production type we will take. Attendance and production type means how we make the salary basis on the attendance, and also attendance and production type. Production type means in the case of attendance, the regular attendance on the basis of days and months will be. In the case of attendance and what you call attendance and production type means in the case of other work, that is extra work. In the case of extra work, how many works he worked more or how much production he made extra, like that we calculate. That is why we have to create the attendance and production. This attendance and production, generally what we call it as attendance and production, we call it as attendance and production, or production means we take it as, see here, attendance or production. See here, this is the attendance present. How many days here is present? Overtime. How many days? How many hours or times? That is how much extra work or extra production he did. And late attendance. Late attendance means how much late he attended to the duties. So this will be deducted. This will be given more. Okay. So this we have to create the serum. And some people they create. So if you create present days, that means 26 days he is present. That means other days he is absent. No problem. So these are enough. So more heads not required. So we'll take up present. We call it as the work unit will be, sorry, work unit is, sorry, PRESENT, present. So this is under primary, and come down. Present means what is the present? Present means he has attended the duty. Leave with pay means even if he did not attend the meeting, he has eligibility for leave. So payment will be made. Leave with pay. That's why attendance or leave. Even if you take leave with pay, it means he is attended. So attendance and leave with pay, and it will paid on the basis of days. How many days he attended? Like this. Base of day automatically days is by default is created. So this is present. Second one is overtime. Overtime. So overtime is also our primary. And now how overtime means it is called as production. How much extra work or extra production it is. That is why it will be taken under the group as attendance type as production. And how it is calculated, how much work he made extra, how much work is done extra work, or how much he produced. I mean, if you produce or production is made more production, how much take it to. That's why we take it as hours of 60 minutes. If you take hours, so if it works for 60 minutes, if you take 60, if you give, it will take as hours. Suppose if you create only minutes, if you give 40, it will take as 40 minutes. Or 2 hours, it will take as 2 minutes. That is why hours of 60 minutes. If you give hours, it will take hours. If you take minutes, it will convert into hours. That is why hours of 60 minutes. For example, 150 minutes is given. If you are not created minutes, if you give 150 minutes, if you give 150, it will take as 150 hours. So if you are not created hours, if you create only minutes, if you give 5 hours, it will take us 5 minutes. That is why hours, minutes, it will automatically. So 150 minutes means 3 hours, 2 hours, 120 minutes, 2 hours and 30 minutes, 2.3 hours it will calculate like this. Okay, hours over time and late attendance. Late attendance. See here, he is attending, working more, we are giving overtime. If he is attending to the duty late, so that what is the late attendance? So for the late period, they will deduct the salary. For overtime, we will give more wages, not ordinary wages. But cutting for late attendance, ordinary wages will cut, will reduce. That's why this is also taken as production. That is hours of, because what is that here? Hours of 60 minutes. This is also how many he is late by 2 hours. He is late by 1 hour 30 minutes like that. So it will take this. So these are the units we created. We created the units. So nominee, attendance, and everything. Employees' names we created. Units we created. All the days and months are by default they are created already. But we created only hours of minutes and compound hours of minutes we created. Attendance. So we created simply present, overtime, and late attendance. Only these three. So these are created. These are we created. And then, so what we have to do is now, okay, we have to do now. So these are completed. So in the last video, 2 items are completed. In this video, 3 items are completed. And hereafter, all the other next topics, they are very, very, very important. They are very, very important. So next, create pay heads. Create pay heads, it is given. It means create pay heads, payments. So pay heads are the items which we pay, which we take from them, deduct from them, or which we pay to them. What are the different items, the different allowances we pay? These are all we have to create. From here, you must be very careful. After that, pay heads we create, and then we will take the attendance. And as per the pay heads, as per the attendance, what is the amount payable? It is called as defined salary. We are defining salary. How much? What are the different items you have to pay? All these amounts you will give. It will calculate as per the attendance. As per the attendance, it will. For example, we are giving basic pay 30,000. Suppose he is present for only 15 days. So it will calculate for half month, 15 days. It will calculate only for 30 days, 30,000 means for 15 days it will calculate only 15,000 rupees as the basic. So the amount which you give will be calculated as per the attendance like this. So this is the thing. So this we will take up in the next video. See here, so far we completed. See, categories we completed, that is offices. Groups we completed means the branches, that is departments we created. Employees, all the details we created. Now we created the units, extra that units not created. Others are by default created. It is we are creating this. And then here, attendance and production type, overtime and attendance, present, overtime, later. These are we are giving. And then we have to go to this is very, very most important item. Okay. So you must be careful. The next topic we will take that. That payheads, it will take some time. That is, it cannot be completed in one video. We'll take it two videos because I am making small videos, so I will complete that payheads in two videos. Okay, totally it will be more than 7 or 8. Because I am taking slowly, I am taking, you follow carefully. So with this, I am closing the video, and in the next video we will meet and we will discuss about the payheads. So bye, good night.